Officer Karen Law Dog reporting live to you right outside 3131 Arrow. Just another corrupt government building, folks. I got a chuckle in there at the sheeple just willingly handing out their Benjamins without even batting an eye. And the government actually counts on citizens like that. They're banking on citizens that'll just bust out the Benjamins and pay without asking any questions.
Like that. Follow the journey, people.
So let me let Charles know what happened in there. Yeah, let me get in the car and let Charles know. Let me put my wallet away. Folks, this is why you got to have a paper trail of everything. And that's why they won't let you record inside there, because then you'd have even more evidence of the bullshit that they try to spin on law-abiding citizens who exercise their constitutionally protected legal rights, or at least try to. They count on citizens not knowing their rights. And I'm going to give you an example of this. Charles is going to love this. So this isn't my first rodeo contesting a false and defamatory citation. These are our poppies that we've been giving out. Let love grow. And if you're lucky, the law dog's going to give you a little packet of these, like I gave Fly Girl in there after I had to educate her. So I go in there. This isn't my first rodeo of contesting a false and defamatory citation. True to form. Remember the one that Charles and I got pulled over for in January, where the cop said he had to go 73 miles an hour down California to catch up to me, so that meant I was speeding.
That's criminal speeds.
And said that I was smoking pot.
By his own admission.
Never cited me for it, and trust and believe if he really thought I did, he would have exercised a search warrant. But he didn't do that because he knew his ass was full of shit.
He's a bitch, just another bitch of Zimmer's.
And then the no front plate. Well, let's just say there's still no evidence of that citation.
Is that right?
Let's just count how many times I've done my due diligence to go in to see if anything's been filed.
Isn't this
One,
the place where old
2, 3,
homie clown fucking kicked the bucket, vapor lock?
4,
It's a
5,
Shaw
6,
or
7,
before he even kicked the bucket.
8. I've
He's
gone
probably
in
still
here
alive.
8 times on this. And I didn't ask her about this one first. I asked her about this one second, and after she said nothing yet, I said, of course not. I said, and there won't be. Okay? So anyway, moving on to the other one. Y'all remember when we were gang stalked downtown by 3 pigs deep in Bakersfield City's jurisdiction by 3 Kern County Sheriff's deputies, allegedly to pull me over for a no front plate violation. That was on August 1st. In reality, they were really there to serve us with that emergency protective order that was filed by L. Shin, I think is his name. L. Shin, Kern County Sheriff's Deputy L. Shin, on behalf of Kern County Sheriff's Deputy Cayman Aguirre, because I guess Cayman Aguirre is so afraid that he couldn't even fill that shit out himself.
Oh, he needs to just take his medical leave and he's on his crew. Hey, we want to know, Cayman, what happened in fucking Cal City and Mojave.
Riverside. Anyhow, the citation that was issued had an incorrect phone number. And of course, it had a incorrect or an incomplete birth date for me. They were so beside themselves that they couldn't even fill this out correctly. Okay, and I'll get to what else they couldn't correctly do either, but I'm gonna save that for my trial by deck. So I went in there before the original due date, which was in last month, And I was told, and I asked for a one-time courtesy extension because we had some family business back east with the kid. So it was granted because they'll always give you a courtesy extension. And folks, follow the journey on the subscriber feed to get some what Law Dog does, because I can't give legal advice, they'll never beat my price, but there's actually some strategy involved with the extension. But again, that's for subscribers only. So anyway, it's due this Friday. So I wanted to get a jump ahead of the game because I don't like to procrastinate. So I told Charles, hey, this is ready to rock and roll. Let's go drop this off. What is it? It's the same shit I do every time I get cited for bullshit. I let them know what my position is briefly, give them an opportunity to dismiss it. They rarely do that. And then I asked to proceed on my own recognizance, because after all, folks, the judicial system shouldn't be used as a financial weapon against law-abiding citizens, but yet in Killing County, Kern, it absolutely is used as a financial weapon.
We're squeezing the right people now.
It is part of their long-term scam. I should be able to proceed on my own recognizance. This is an infraction. It's even a correctable one, except I'm not guilty, so why would I correct it? Okay? That's just admitting guilt. And that's not going to happen because the state has the burden of proving that I even violated the law. And I can assure you, they're not going to be able to prove that. So anyway, I also provided them with a copy of what was also submitted to the issuing agency. It's called a informal discovery request, because that's right, I'm going to need that dash camera. I'm going to need everything involved that you intend to try to use against me. That's my right. It's called discovery. And that's supposed to happen long before you get to trial, folks. Not show up on the day of trial and still not have discovery. It doesn't work that way. We are entitled to an opportunity to prepare our defense. And without that discovery, you're intentionally setting us up for failure. Well, I'm not going to fail, because when you're innocent, the truth speaks for itself. But anyway, I requested my trial by deck. I requested an extension on the time in which to submit it. And she was going to try to give me my papers back and not take it and tell me that it didn't work that way. I said, how long have you been?
What, is she new?
That's exactly what I suspected. And when I asked her if she was new, because I told her this isn't my first rodeo, even though I wasn't wearing my buckle today, or my boots, because they always make me take my spurs off, which is just stupid. But yet they'll let Paige Echeverry rock and roll with her frickin' stilettos and her fake lips. Anyhow,
talking about the
remember Echeverry?
Got so much plastic
looks
surgery.
Like Mademoiselle. Looks like that puppet, Mademoiselle.
Yes, that's the
Tell
one.
Me I'm wrong.
No, that's the one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Those who know. Madam and Whalen, whatever.
Yep.
So you know, you're with me.
Y'all know. Tell you
she corked off, she smarted off, and this is why they won't let you have your cameras in there. She says, long enough to know. I said, sister, you better march on over there and get your supervisor, because Vegas. And I repeated numerous times for everybody in there to hear, this is what they do. This is how they extort money out of people, because citizens are innocent until proven guilty, and they should be able to proceed with a trial by declaration or any trial without posting bail. Otherwise, you're holding innocent, law-abiding citizens hostage by their own dollar, and it's extortion, because you're going to use my money for the 30, 60 days it takes to settle this case. You're going to make interest off my money, not me, and in the end, I'm going to win, and you're going to have to give it back, and it's a rabbit hole. How much of the taxpayers' dollars are you wasting in paper and checks and all this bullshit, okay? So anyway, she went back, she asked, and because I told her, I kept asking, so you're going to refuse to take my paperwork? I said, I'm requesting, because she tried to tell me I had to submit my trial by deck. I said, why would I submit my trial by deck when I haven't even made a pleading yet? I haven't even been arraigned. That's what this is asking. I'm waiving arraignment. I'm asking to proceed on my own recognizance. After I ask for you to drop the nonsense, I'm giving you a chance to save the taxpayers some money. But in the end, we don't make it worth it to you, because we're going to make you spend thousands of your dollars chasing one of mine.
Yep.
I told her that this needed to be put before the judge on Friday. See, these people think they're the judge.
Yeah.
And I even asked her, I said, it sounds like you're trying to play lawyer here. I said, do you have a law degree?
Well,
she quipped back real quick. She wasn't giving legal advice. I said, that's what it sounds like.
Yeah, it sounds like
I
you're
said,
giving legal advice.
This goes before the judge. When my stuff is due on Friday, put this before the judge and let him decide if I can proceed on my own recognizance, and then give me my trial by deck paperwork and my due date. That's how it works. Needless to say, I got a picture. It's on my camera roll. She ended up taking the documents. Told me I'd hear from them in the mail, which is how it's supposed to work.
Yeah. Well, it's a good example that when you have inbreeding, get a DNA test. Why? Arnold Schwarzenegger could be your daddy too. Or maybe Donnie Youngblood could be your daddy. But no matter what...
Maybe Michael Kilpatrick.
No matter what...
Maybe Salsa.
Yeah, Salsa could be your daddy. Salsa has some serious anger problems.
You want to hear the latest?
We're gonna get him a gift card for some anger management problems from Santa Claus this year.
Salsa's not the only pedophile protector.
Oh.
Torres.
Oh, we know.
Remember the one that was down in the basement on Monday?
Yeah, we know.
Well, guess what?
Yeah.
That BPD officer that was getting that minor back east to send him nudie pictures and telling her how to pose and whatnot.
Yep.
He's trying to block them from keeping him in custody, and I guess he's getting out tomorrow.
Oh, letting him out tomorrow.
They're letting him out.
Take care of his ass on the street.
His wife, who also works for the police department,
take care of two of them
is going to take care of him, because we're all supposed to trust his wife. And they even said that the reason they're concerned about letting him out is because, he's an expert. He's going to know how to cover his tracks. He's going to, and there's no way that they'll be able to track it or prove it.
Is he related to Cayman? Because Cayman has to use tactical.
Oh, just to get to work. Just to get to work. Because he's so afraid of me.
He's scared shitless.
He's afraid of me. When I've never made any threats.
Doesn't matter. You should
never.
Be. Now you should be. With all your lies and everything, we're gonna drag your ass right over the coals come Monday. Something big's gonna happen no matter what. Come Monday.
I'm just going to call out on Monday that I'm just going to call out and remember, we protect all sources, that the motion that's been put off is going to be filed, that we've been talking about, but hasn't been filed because, and again, we're not exposing, they're running this lawyer to death. I think he said he has 700 some cases. The last attorney that said that was Kilpatrick with 900 cases.
How's that worked out for
you folks want to know about the long-term scam? I'm going to call it out right there. It is when a lawyer has 900 some cases.
And on his deathbed?
Of course.
And you're going to allow that?
Of course your shit's not getting done. And then your right to a speedy trial, that's how they get around it, because your lawyer can't keep up and he has an excuse for why he can't keep up. And guess what? In the end, you're not getting your right to a speedy trial. Because it's all a word game.
When in the end, you're probably not getting you're probably not going to get that. I'm the goose that was supposed to lay the golden egg, except I decided to be the goose to
hey Kathy,
take a bronze egg,
honey,
and roll over on.
There's going to be some rolling over.
I rolled over on a couple of people, and there's going to be
let me tell you about something else.
There'll be you can run me around town. But you're never going to run me out of town. And there's 3 things I never give up. I never give up my family. I never give up my friends. And I never give up my balls.
Let me bring up 2 more important points to prove this long-term scam, okay? And Charles is probably going to chime in once he sees where I'm going with this. It's a racket, folks. I tried to schedule Charles's RadNet MRI for his shoulder. They're subbing that out to a South American agency to schedule your appointments, and where you're giving up all your confidential, social security number, address, emails that they can sell. And guess what? They're going to get away with it because they're from another country who's going to hold them accountable for it. That's right. Kern Radiology, right here in Kern County, Killing County, is subbing out who schedules their appointments with a South American company.
It's south of Mexico. Mexico has its own little luster that we like. So, hey, whatever happens with this fucking shit down in... Check that cowboy out.
On his crotch rocket with no helmet? How does that work?
All you got to do is be a cop. Why don't you get a picture of him?
I
Can
thought-
anybody pick him out of a lineup?
I thought helmets were required.
Can anybody pick him out of a lineup?
I thought helmets were required. Maybe there's a repair shop nearby.
Oh, yeah.
But still, yeah, something's not passing. Oh, over there's his helmet. It was just for a short stint. I'm sure it's qualified immunity.
Oh, yeah.
And he's wearing an ID tag of sorts.
Yeah, and he has a
backpack.
He has a. Are you concerned? Are you going to plan on doing something illegal? Well, don't worry. You'll be all right. We're in a public space. You're safe when you're in a public space, unless you decide you're going to be the one. So, anyway, smile. Hey, what's that badge you got on you there?
Huh?
What's your
that badge you got on there?
This?
Yeah.
Don't worry where I work.
You're wearing it. You're wearing it loud and proud.
Bro, I teach
You're wearing it loud and proud like a bitch. You're a bitch.
What?
You're a bitch.
Bro, you're
He's a bitch. There you go.
To an Army veteran like
I
that?
am talking to an Army veteran like that, bro.
You're a piece of shit, dude. All the shit I did for your country to keep you safe.
Fuck you, cocksucker. Follow the journey. Look at the law dog and follow the journey.
Are you ready?
Hey, are you ready for it?
Are you ready for it?
You ready for it?
Are you ready for it?
Yes, ma'am.
He's a veteran too, and he has a traumatic brain injury. No, you stuck your
Yeah,
conversation.
dickweed.
Hey,
Now he has no way out.
we were
Now
live.
the pussy,
We were
pussy,
live,
pussy.
and you worried about whether or not we were videoing you.
Hey,
The
is
only
that your bike without
Hey, hold
He's
on.
a pussy.
Hold
He's
on.
a cunt. Look
Hold
at him.
on.
Look at that cunt.
Hold on. The only
at
one.
that
Hey,
pussy.
be quiet. The only one that worries about whether or not somebody's recording in
You
public
got stolen
is
valor.
somebody who's
You
doing
ain't got-
something
Show me
illegal.
your ID.
Oh my God.
Somebody
Show me your
who-
vet
I don't
card.
have my shit on me.
Oh, you stolen valor.
Not a stolen valor, bro.
Show him my
Okay, that's cool.
show him my
I don't.
veteran's ID, cocksucker.
Nobody cares.
You're a stolen.
Yeah, but you used it. Yeah, he has a traumatic brain injury. No, you stuck your
Why
nose.
you recording me and he acts like a punk?
You're in a public space. You're in a public space.
Bro, all I asked you.
Why are you
Stupid on your own Facebook. Dude,
No, he's not. No, he's not.
An ID looks
No, he's
like.
not. Right there.
You're stolen
Right there.
valor, bitch.
Good.
I have one.
You're
Good.
stolen. You don't got one, bitch.
Hey.
Put it on
No,
Facebook.
bro.
Put it on Lorianne Wiley's
I don't have
Facebook.
Facebook.
Oh, you got an excuse for everything.
Yeah, bro.
You're a silly little. Let me guess.
Facebook.
How many women have you knocked up this
I
year?
have my-
How many women did you get? How many women
down.
did you get knocked
Calm
up
down.
this year?
Calm down. Calm
I ain't
down.
the one that has to pay
Calm down.
my child support.
Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Look at him.
Calm down.
Somebody need a hug.
Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
You see that?
Where's your plate? Where's your plate?
That's why I'm here.
Where's your plate? And you also ride that without your helmet too, huh? And you hide your ID because you're the special one. Stay away.
It's okay, bro.
Get away from
Stolen
him.
fucking valor.
Get away from him.
Stolen
Get away
fucking
from him.
valor.
Kern County.
Get
has-
away from
Stolen
him.
valor.
Get away from him.
It's stolen
Get
valor.
away from
Yeah,
him.
yeah, keep walking
Get
away,
away from
bitch.
him.
There you go.
Put this Put this
Stolen
up.
valor.
Stop talking to him.
It's all.
Stop.
You
stop,
need a drug
stop,
test.
Stop.
Get it.
Stop talking to him.
That motherfucker needs a drug
Yeah,
test.
stop talking
Run his
to him.
ass over. Fucking run it.
No, we're in a
Look at that.
parking space. How am I going to go forward?
Okay, let's go.
Go. Just stop talking to him. He's an idiot. He got in your face. He got in our bubble because he knows he's
Stolen
doing
valor.
something.
He's
Yeah.
look at he's
Let him. Put
he's
the
on
window.
drugs. Look at him.
Babe,
He's doing the more.
Babe,
He's
put
on
the
drugs.
window up. Put the window up.
Somebody's getting drug tested.
Babe, put the window
Yeah,
up.
we're gonna
Put the
get a
window
hold
up.
of your watch commander.
Put the
Somebody
window
getting
up.
drug tested.
Put the window up. Put the window up. Put the window up. Put the window up. Don't even pay him
Look at
any
he's
mind.
tweaking.
Oh, I
He's
know.
tweaking
Don't.
like a
Okay.
motherfucker.
Okay.
You got it. Keep,
yeah, I
keep
got
it going.
him.
Keep it going.
I got him.
He's tweaking like a motherfucker.
Yeah, just stop.
Look at the
Stop.
tweak.
Look at him. Trying to read my shit. Like, really? What an idiot.
He's tweaking like a
Yeah.
motherfucker.
Yeah. And he got in our live,
Yep.
stuck
Yep.
his nose in.
Oh, here he comes with some more. Can somebody help me? What's he got in there? He's gonna pull out a gun? Does he think he's gonna pull? I'll bet you he'll pull out a gun because that's just
No, he won't.
Oh, look, he's
Oh,
vaping. Oh, that's our guy. That's our vape guy he's our vape guy. Look at, they get fucking turned
Oh,
the fuck
yeah, they
up.
do.
All they do is they give them, that's their fentanyl,
Oh,
most
yeah.
likely.
Oh, yeah,
Look,
I'm
look
sure
at,
it is.
he's
Look.
yeah, let him keep recording him until, yeah. We can show. We need to see what you know. People, that's what we deal with. Look at he's back. He's back, people.
Just
He's
don't
back.
even engage him.
No, I want to
Yeah,
show him. He's obviously a cop. He's never going to pass a drug test. And that's what you do. And then coming around again.
Yes, so that I can't leave.
Oh, he's calling 911. Okay.
Yeah, well,
Yeah, we're
he needs to move. So you can see I'm in reverse,
Yeah, he won't go.
and he's intentionally staying back there.
Yeah. Well,
So
if
that
you move, just keep it live. Say, we know what? We need somebody.
Yep.
We need somebody.
Just ignore him. Just ignore him. Just ignore him. Just ignore him. He's calling his off-duty cop friend.
Yeah.
Put your seatbelt on.
Yeah. We're gonna see who's gonna be the hero.
Put your seatbelt on.
We're gonna see who's gonna come to that motherfucker's rescue.
Ain't anybody coming to his
He's
rescue.
all twacked out
He's
on drugs.
all jacked
And now
up.
he's gonna be.
Yep.
Now he's gonna call his. Now he's gonna be calling his buddies. And then they're not gonna know it's coming until it's coming.
Well, just stay away from him. Don't say anything. Look, there he is again. Yeah, just ignore him, Charles.
Oh my God! You see that motherfucker? He needs to get the fuck.
Lesson
off the
to be
drugs.
learned here, folks. When you're out in a public space, why go confront somebody about whether or not you're recording?
Yeah, unless you
Okay?
got something to hide.
Unless you have something to hide, we're in a public space.
That looks like the
we're
guy
in our
from
car,
fucking,
minding our own damn business, and this guy has to come shoot his mouth off. What do you think it's going to do? You don't know what propensities people have. Stay the fuck out of Charles's bubble.
And keep your cameras live.
Oh yeah, that for sure.
Always keep
that
your
for sure.
cameras
That
live.
for sure. So anyway, we've got other essential
Yeah.
business to
Hope you
conduct.
enjoyed
here.
yourself, but I have a feeling I'm gonna go get something to eat.
Okay, honey.